Breaking news. Former U.S. National Security Advisor John Bolton has been indicted under the Espionage Act, accused of mishandling classified information from his time inside the Trump administration. The indictment includes 18 counts related to the retention and disclosure of national defense materials. Prosecutors claim Bolton knowingly shared restricted intelligence in his 2020 memoir and during private briefings, violations that could carry decades in prison. Bolton, known as one of Washington's most aggressive foreign policy voices, says he's being politically targeted. In a fiery statement, he declared, "I acted within the law. This is retribution for telling the truth." The charges come amid a wave of politically charged investigations, reigniting debate over free speech, whistleblowing, and national security leaks. Online, reaction has been explosive. Supporters call it a witch hunt. Critics say it's a long overdue accountability moment for Washington insiders. Bolton is expected to appear in federal court next week. Analysts say this case could redefine how classified information laws are enforced, especially against former top officials. Stay tuned for updates as this historic case unfolds.